Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hopefully you all are doing good and welcome back to my channel Sardar Ghulam Fareed. Today I am going to discuss about HSE inspection and HSE audit. What is HSE inspection? HSE inspection it is a systematic check of workplace activities or equipments to identify hazards and ensure compliance with HSE standards. In this definition, there are two main things. First is identify hazards, and second is ensure compliance with HSE standards. So, what is hazard? Hazard is anything which may cause harm to us. And what is the compliance? Compliance means to ensure employees are following safety standards and rules and regulations. So, we can take the example of workplace activity. We can take the example of welding. For example, if the person is doing welding, we have to know the hazard. So if there is a combustible material near to the welding process or near to the fire, so this is the hazard. And how we can ensure the compliance of HSE standards. For example, if employees are working at height, so we have to check they have a permit or not, and they have a scaffolding or not, they have a harness belt or not. So these are the insurance of compliance of safety standards. What is the purpose? Its purpose is to proactively identify unsafe conditions and behaviors. So, what is the unsafe condition? Unsafe condition, as I told you, that combustible material near to fire. This is unsafe condition. And the employee, if any employee is working wrong, means the error by human, that is known as the unsafe act. Any act, wrong act done by the any employee, that is the unsafe act. And unsafe condition means the proper condition of that area. For example, combustible material near to the fire. What are the focus areas? First is the physical conditions, second is safe system of work, and third is housekeeping standards. Frequency. HSE inspection can be done daily, weekly, or monthly, and it conducted by supervisors, safety representatives, or HSE personnel. And what are the outcomes? Outcome is immediate corrective actions. We can give a corrective action on the spot when we do inspect at the workplace. Second is inspection checklist. We can make a checklist on that time. And third is quick fixes and follow-ups. So these are the outcomes. So let's see what is HSE audit. A formal, systematic, independent review of HSE management system, policies, and procedures. In the HSE audit, actually, the auditor what see? They see the trainings, records, assessment records, and what are the incident happened in the history. So they check the incident records, training records, assessment records. So these things comes in the audits. Purpose to assess the effectiveness and compliance of HSE management system. And what are the focus areas? There are 5 points. First is policies and procedures. Second is legal compliance. Third is training and competence records. Fourth is incident investigation systems. And the last is continuous improvement processes. These are the focus areas of the HSE audit. What is the frequency? Frequency is a plan annually and biannually, means it can be done one time in a year or two time in a year. Conducted by internal or external auditors. It can be done by both auditors, sometime internal too, and sometime auditors can come from the outside. We can also say the third party and external auditor. What is the outcome? Detailed audit report. In this auditing, we can make an audit report, and second is action plan for systematic improvement, and the last is performance review and strategic insights. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my video.